warm welcome to all the businesses, all the partners, the colleagues and friends, and most importantly tonight, the award winners and their families.
Welcome to Cardiff and Vale College Apprenticeship Awards. I'm delighted to see so many familiar faces tonight and looking forward to what is always a great evening of celebrating the very best of our apprenticeships. CAVC Group is the largest provider of apprenticeships in Wales. We passionately believe in the power of apprentices, and the award winners here tonight are each an incredible example of this, and you're going to hear about their fantastic journey tonight. Keep championing apprenticeships, keep getting the message out there. It really does change lives, it changes businesses, and it makes a difference to our community. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Enjoy this evening. Thank you very much.